Twist the upper rod and lower rod together to make one long rod. Insert the rod into the base plate and tighten the base mounting screw until it's firm. Slide the sliding block onto the rod to your preferred height and lock it in place. Rotate the laser unit clockwise onto the sliding block until it's seated. Level the unit, then tighten the arm's ball head to secure the position. Connect the USB-C power cable. Use a power source with at least 5 volts, 2 amperes output. For best performance, use the included charger. Any QC2 certified charger will also work. Slide the sliding block up or down until the distance from the laser lens to the surface of the material is 200 millimeters. Use the included ruler to confirm the height if the distance isn't correct. Engraving can be faint or uneven. Short press the power button to pause the current job. Press and hold the power button to stop all operations immediately. Power on the LP1 Plus. Open LaserPecker Design Space app. Tap the plus in the top right corner. Select LP1 Plus, then next, select your machine from the device list. Once connected, the indicator light will stay solid blue. Place the material on the base plate, open the app and connect to the machine. Tap Create, import your design or choose one from clip art. Apply desired effect and resize it if needed. Tap Preview. Adjust the focal distance to make sure the laser unit sits at 200 millimeters. Tap Next. Apply desired resolution, then tap Send File. Set up all engraving parameters. Once all set, start the engraving process.
If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.